Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the world of tropical terrace decor and how to create a stunning tropical terrace with expert tips on decor, furniture, and plants. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Whether you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life or simply create a serene outdoor oasis, a tropical terrace is the perfect solution. In this video, we'll explore what tropical terrace decor means, its benefits, and how you can transform your space into a tropical paradise. Tropical terrace decor is a design style that evokes the warmth, beauty, and tranquility of tropical climates. It incorporates elements such as vibrant colors, natural materials, and lush greenery to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. By infusing your terrace with tropical vibes, you can transport yourself to a faraway destination without ever leaving home. Opting for a tropical style for your terrace offers several advantages. Here are some of the benefits of choosing tropical style for terrace decor. First, creates a relaxing atmosphere. The combination of vibrant colors, natural materials, and lush greenery can instantly reduce stress and promote relaxation. Second, adds value to your home. A well-designed tropical terrace can significantly increase the curb appeal and value of your property. Third, enhances outdoor living. A tropical terrace provides a beautiful and functional space for entertaining guests or simply enjoying the outdoors. What the best furniture for tropical terrace decor? When selecting furniture for your tropical terrace, consider the following options. 1. Outdoor dining sets. Choose a comfortable and stylish outdoor dining set made of natural materials like teak or rattan. 2. Lounge furniture. Opt for low-slung lounge chairs or sofas with plush cushions for ultimate relaxation. 3. Hammocks. A hammock is a classic tropical addition that provides a cozy and inviting spot to unwind. 4. Bar carts. A bar cart can add a touch of sophistication and functionality to your terrace. How to decorate a terrace to look tropical? To achieve a truly tropical look, consider the following tips. First, color palette. Choose vibrant colors like turquoise, emerald green, and sunny yellow to create a tropical ambience. Second, natural materials. Incorporate natural elements such as bamboo, rattan, and teak into your furniture and decor. Third, lush greenery. Add tropical plants like palm trees, ferns, and hibiscus to bring life to your terrace. Fourth, water features. A small fountain or water feature can add a soothing sound and visual element to your space. Fifth, textiles. Use colorful throw pillows, cushions, and rugs with tropical patterns to enhance the overall aesthetic. And here these the compilation of the top 10 best tropical terrace decor ideas to inspire you for your next terrace decor project. 1. Create a tropical oasis with a bamboo privacy screen. A bamboo privacy screen can provide a secluded and tranquil atmosphere for your terrace. Install a bamboo fence or screen to shield your space from unwanted views and create a sense of privacy. 2. Install a hammock between two palm trees. A hammock is a quintessential tropical element that offers a relaxing and comfortable place to unwind. Hang a hammock between two palm trees for a truly idyllic setting. 3. Build a DIY tiki bar for entertaining guests. A tiki bar can add a fun and festive atmosphere to your terrace. Build your own tiki bar using materials like wood, bamboo, and thatched roofing. 4. Add a splash of color with vibrant potted plants. Colorful potted plants can bring life and vibrancy to your terrace. Choose plants with vibrant blooms and lush foliage to create a tropical atmosphere. 5. Hang a string of lights for a magical evening atmosphere. String lights can create a warm and inviting ambience on your terrace, especially during the evening hours. Hang string lights between trees or along the perimeter of your space. 6. Install a water fountain for a soothing sound and visual element. A water fountain can add a relaxing sound and visual element to your terrace. Choose a fountain that complements your overall design aesthetic. 7. Create a tropical-inspired mural on a blank wall. A tropical-inspired mural can add a unique and eye-catching focal point to your terrace. Consider hiring an artist to create a custom mural or use stencils for a DIY project. 8. Use colorful throw pillows and cushions to brighten up your space. Colorful throw pillows and cushions can add a pop of color and texture to your terrace furniture. Choose patterns and colors that complement your overall design scheme. 9. Incorporate tropical-themed artwork or sculptures. Tropical-themed artwork or sculptures can add a touch of personality and style to your terrace. Consider displaying paintings, prints, or sculptures featuring tropical landscapes, animals, or plants. 10. Add a touch of luxury with a plush outdoor rug. A plush outdoor rug can create a cozy and inviting space on your terrace. Choose a rug with a tropical pattern or a neutral color that complements your overall design. By following these tips and incorporating elements of tropical decor, you can transform your terrace into a stunning and inviting oasis. Remember to personalize your space to reflect your unique style and preferences. With a little creativity and imagination, you can create a tropical paradise right in your own backyard. Ready to create your dream tropical terrace? Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and design tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.